people. I feel like say Alkaline answer Masicka. Cause Alkaline song name open up a brain, you know. You see me? To me, you know. A word Alkaline are true, you know, because me I tell you, know, people. You know, I ask the war, people. And the war is in the air. You see me I say? Alkaline first fire shot, you know, people. So right now, we are waiting for the next artist, you know. Big giant same way. Show out a song after Alkaline. You see me? Although Alkaline never call him name. But when Alkaline say open up a brain, you see me? All of we know who him talk, you see me? The song I just released 1 hour ago. You see me? So you can go up on YouTube and listen to it. You see me? And him not show no personal shades in it, but you know when I sing in him song, you see me, it tell you everything at who him talk. You don't know all of we are Jamaican, so we know craft, we know style, you see me? But I don't know we not hold on the artist them, you know. You see me? I can't hold on the artist them either. You get me? Yeah man, for real, cause Alka do him thing, you know, about that. But I know me not lie, it don't really matter, you know, cause I feel like say Masicka ready for war too, you know. Same way. For real, man. One genocide ready for war a long time. Long time me dog a call for war. Tell me I tell you. From Winford days. I mean know Masicka ready. Tell me I tell you people. And just keep our ears open because the song them drop, you know, people. We there for it, you know. Yeah man, we there to review them and tell you know who have the hottest part of lines in them song. You see me? Watch how most this. You see me? Because I don't know. No joke. Tell me I tell him I feel like some Masicka ready for a clash. I wonder if Masicka hear the Alkaline new song when he just dropped to Bumbuckler. Because me I tell you say a whole heap of shot Alkaline and fire, you know. But Masicka me know say you're ready for this boy, you know, Masicka. You see me I say? And the whole of we are wait for the blood clot clashing, brother. Tell me I tell you. You know I tell you? Yeah man, the whole of we are wait for the clash, man. Because right now I tell you, say, place with a nice show, you know. And look a stage show. You mean? Fly down Alkaline. You know? Prove to Masicka say you're tough, brother. Make Masicka show you what him capable of. Because me not put none of them over them wanted until them prove to me on the stage when me watch me live TV or me fly down, come watch them myself. You see me I say? And have my own experience, brother. You get me? Because right now, me know say this a clash I got hot, brother. You see me I say? And them two man can be the talk of the town. You see me? Masicka always hot. Never out of drama. See Alkaline say my up my brain there. You see me? Give him a song and ask him how for brain him up. You see me? Yeah? That's how badness come down, my friend. Tell me I tell you. But for real though, Alkaline I go hard. You see me I say, cause yo, kill me dead the wall and I go on, you know. But right now it come like Alkaline brain crab up. You me I tell you. Go and do it vendetta boss, you see me? Big up yourself same way. Big up yourself to all. You see me? Big up yourself and big up your fans them same way. Big up yourself genocide same way and big up your fans them killer. You me I tell you? Yeah man. Go and do it Alka. You see it? Yeah. Yeah man, and no disrespect to Alkaline same way. You see me I say? Let's go and do it Alkaline. You see it? Show out the tune them man. Long time we are waiting for the little war, you know, man. A couple years well now, you know, man. It was having a little beef a go on and I cover, you know, man. And things say people them in a dance and I know. We know a long time, my friend. We are waiting for this long time too. You see me? I'm glad you show out a song to my friend. I'm glad you show out a song Alkaline. So guess what? You show the people them say, yes. You hear what I go on, you respond to your fans them. You see me I say, keep doing the way, keep putting in the good work. You see me? Know you work hard, but you don't know you have to do it same way. You see me? Yeah man, because you have to do it for your fans them as well you say. You see me? Yeah, man. No joke. Yeah, man. And I meant no disrespect to none of the artists, them. You see me? No disrespect to Alkaline. Big up yourself, Alkaline. Same way. You see me, I say? Go and put in it. The work, my friend. Big up yourself, genocide. You don't know. No disrespect to no one. Same way. You see me? Respect the artists, them. The same. You see me? Go and put in the work, in general. We'll wait for your new song for drop. You see me? Go on, hold the meds, because we know in time you come out, you know, my friend. Crocodile out, you know, low teeth, you know, brother. Yeah, shut down. You see me? Yeah, man, nobody watch us, man, I say, my friend. Just put out the music, my friend, and make your fans Masicka. You see me? Make your fans, them, be the judge of that. You see me? Yeah. Big up yourself, bad bro, all the time. Me not going to forget, thanks to all them subscribers them and supporters them. You see me? We are watch my channel. We are subscribe. You see me? Tell a friend to tell a friend. See me. You see me? I say. And anytime the next hot tune drop, don't know. Review King there. You see me? One Sabas out.